Assalamu alaikum. I am Tariq Aziz, Head of the Department of English at Karachi Institute of Economics and Technology. On Wednesday, 6th of May 2026, we organized a guest speaker session on the philosophy of Hajj and its impact on society at our Shahra Faisal campus. We were honored to have two distinguished speakers. The first speaker was Mufti Furqan Ahmad Mamji, who is a renowned Islamic religious scholar. The second speaker was Maulana Sheikh Muhammad Nisar, who is the Nazim-e-Ala of Hidayah Academy, Pakistan. Both of these highly respected and highly experienced religious scholars are associated with Al-Muallim travel agency, which has been providing Hajj and Umrah services and training to pilgrims for several years. They are well known amongst pilgrims for their reliable services and positive reviews. The guest speaker session that they conducted was engaging and informative. Both of the speakers discussed the spiritual, social, and moral aspects of Hajj and related these values to our students' academic lives. Our undergraduate students remained enthusiastically and passionately engaged in the talks throughout the session. Overall, it was a very valuable learning experience, not only for the students but also for the teachers and staff members. I would like to thank both the speakers, Mufti Furqan Ahmad Mamji and Maulana Sheikh Muhammad Nisar, for conducting such an insightful and inspiring session.